Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about vacuums. I just did a video about how to clean a wet-dry vacuum, and today I want to show you how to clean a simple one. I will deep clean my faulty cordless vacuum. First I have to empty it and shake the filter very well so that most of the dust gets out. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. Then I take out the brush by pushing the side button and remove all the hair by using this tool. If you don't have this tool, you can easily use scissors. The next step is to take all the little parts, the brush, the attachments, the filter. You can see here it shows that the filter can be rinsed and let it dry for 24 hours. Then I rinse them in the bathroom sink and spray a disinfectant spray cleaner. It doesn't matter what cleaner I use. It only matters that it doesn't contain bleach because I don't want to ruin my vacuum. I rinse the filter only with water. I don't use product on it. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. To keep any bagless vacuum cleaner in good working order, cleaning the filter is a must. When the filter is clogged, even just a little, there will be a noticeable loss in suction and the machine might also start making noises. That indicates it is struggling to perform at its best. If you are noticing either of these things, then cleaning the filter is certainly overdue. Cleaning the filter is crucial to you getting the peak performance out of your vacuum cleaner, and also it will stop the machine from harboring dusty, unpleasant smells too. You need to let the filter dry completely before placing it back, or else you risk the chance of it growing mold and stinking up your house. Remember to order replacement filters so you're never caught without one if yours is not reusable or is non-washable. It also helps to inspect your filter before and after the use, and if it looks dirty, clean or replace it as soon as possible. It's also important to read the instructions in your vacuum's manual for details about cleaning the filter safely and properly. After spraying the cleaner I have on hand, I let it sit according to instructions. Then I wash everything thoroughly and even use an old toothbrush for those hard to reach spots. You circle around me like the moon around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heart. Most vacuum filters should be replaced every 3 to 6 months, but it depends on how often you're vacuuming, how much dirt and debris your vacuum is collecting, and how old your vacuum is. Make sure you clean your filters and attachments regularly to keep your vacuum cleaner working and performing at its peak. With a few easy steps and some maintenance, you'll be able to maintain the longevity of your vacuum cleaner's performance. Every vacuum needs some maintenance. It's normal and there's nothing you can do to prevent it entirely. Plan for 10 to 30 minutes for basic maintenance, plus 24 hours of drying time if you rinse any parts. A clogged and dirty vacuum not only doesn't clean effectively, but it also causes the machine to work harder than it needs to. Straining the motor damages it irreparably and can shorten its life. Cleaning your vacuum cleaner isn't just a matter of cleaning with clean tools. It's also about maintaining the machine and saving money in the long run. Leave the parts to dry completely and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!